All right, so some of you all watched my unboxing of the Sony ZV-E10, and I wanted to show you all what I got in the bundle pack from Adorama. Let me make sure I'm saying this correctly. Adorama. So let me grab that here and go through this with you all. So it's like a kit, got a lot of stuff with it. So the first thing is a charging plate. So I got a charging plate. Let's open this charging plate up. See. Oh, boom. There we go. So a charging plate for the charger right there. Put you back here. There's a charging plate. A lens filter kit. Lens essential filter kit. So, oh, sweet. I got these things to put on my lens when I go outside and such. It's pretty cool. I'll learn more about them as time goes on, but yeah, that's pretty awesome. Nice little snazzy leather bag with the clip. So it's two things there. A replacement battery pack. I'm always here for the replacements. Replacement battery pack right there. You can see. Or can you see? There it is. Replacement battery pack. So let's trying to get. Y'all, I'm gonna get better at this unboxing stuff. I'm sorry. Y'all may have seen a couple videos I have. I'll get better. Here we go, replacement battery. They had that thing hid in there. Boom, with a little cover. But nice, replacement battery. Bring it with me on the road. Okay, put those boxes over there next to my water. Always got to hydrate. Shout out to Ball and Mason Jars. They did not sponsor this, but I like drinking water out of Mason jars. LCD screen protector. Here we go. There we go. And it looks like, oh, you lift this up here. Boom. And you got glass protector right there, in there. Let's go. With the cleaning tape. It's got some instructions in there. Boom, that goes right there. Guess I'll put this right there. Oh, here we go. Optics. Care and cleaning kit. So this is another thing that was in the package I bought, the bundle. Protect your creative vision. So yeah, this is. Do I have scissors? Let me see if I got scissors. Yeah, I got scissors. I just cut myself. Oh, that hurt. Okay. All right. The thing kind of got me back when I was opening this. Let's see right here. All right. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm not the. We've already talked about me unboxing stuff. I'm not the best at it. But if you want me to unbox stuff, hey, send it to me. I'll unbox it for you. Boom, we got the little, hey. And then inside here, see some of that spritz, some of that whatever this is, camera chapstick. Got some microfiber wipes, looks like. And then what is this in the back? Oh, a whole bunch of moistened disposable cleaning wipes for coated optics. So people don't like the word moist, including my wife, but got moist wipes. Moist. All right. So yeah, that is what's in there. Protect your vision. So that's there as well. Put this over here. Oh, okay, here it is. Contains lens cleaning wipes, lens cleaning spray, microfine lens cloth, a fine brush, an air blower. Oh yeah, that, and then a carrying pouch. It's really good. Once again, it was part of the pack. And then the last, well, not the last piece. Before I do that one, I got a universal charger. So here we go. Let's go. Okay, that kind of shocked me. I wasn't ready for that. But you could use it in the car. You could use it in the car. And boom, this is universal charger right here. Oh, you can plug it in the wall. Look at that. Look at that. Come on. In the car and in the wall. From the Nissan to the wall. You can charge your cameras all fall because fall is coming up. All right. Oh, can't forget this. Handy dandy. Come on, slinger. Got a nice camera bag. Some straps right there. All right, let me put what are those things called? Memory cards and stuff right there. Boom. Another piece of the bundle. The scissors are not a piece of bundle. I need to put them away. These, you just, okay. You don't let me. Struggling. All right. And then the last piece of the Sony ZV-E10 Bundle is this cool thing, the Vlogger Kit by Sony. So yeah, let's get this Gorilla Glue. Still recording. Yeah, just want to make sure we're still recording. That's just up. Okay, camera grip pairing guide. So it's got a guide right when you open it. That's pretty cool. Oh, a box inside a box. Nice. Yeah, this right here is Sony. Oh, oops. All right, so let's try and unbox this one a little better. There we go. Take that like that. Pull it out. Got the little, poppers there, and a lot of stuff in here. What's this? Okay, so let me put this down there. It holds something, maybe the camera. And boom, there it is. Tells you how to do it. Got some instructions. Screw your camera up there. Good to go. I like this because you can record. You can do some other things from right there. I saw this on Think Media's channel. Shout out to Omar El Takori. I'll be watching his videos. If y'all don't watch his videos, I need to get on his videos. He be giving game. And yeah, that's it. That's what came in the Adorama bundle. Some instructions there. But yeah, let me put these boxes over here so you can see what came in the bundle. So yeah, the Sony ZV-E10 came in. Got some optic stuff. Got a nice little bag. A little battery charger there. Some cleaning stuff here. Some more battery charging stuff there. And this nice Sony thing right there. So yeah, that's that. It's unboxing of the Adorama bundle kit that came with the Sony ZV-E10.